is to get to 1,000 subscriber. I don't know if that's gonna be possible. I have 180 people right now watching me, but if you find these videos useful, like, share, subscribe, comment, maybe you can recommend it to some of your friends. I am going to talk about how, as a small business, to deal with a negative feedback. Okay, I am a small business owner. I'm also a freelance interpreter. We all have experience to receive a negative feedback. I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rules on how to address a negative feedback. It could be on Facebook, on your Google, or in any other kind of a page, especially if you receive this very, very aggressive, very bullying, very negative feedback, or how to act and communicate in time of crisis. I did study 1 year. I took a class in the university talking about communication in crisis. I think that class was beautiful. I remember the professor, it's the only professor I wrote a review on LinkedIn because I thought the class was great. So let's give you an example. I was checking my notes. There was this page. It's called Technologies for Interpreters and Translators, where I post a video related to interpreting and translating, different tools, how to work with your brain, how to develop your brain, and so and so. And instead of receiving one of the admins of the group contacted me in very aggressive tone, telling me that my videos are bad, that they're not related. And I said, this is video about interpreting and translating and how to use your brain tools, right? Why is not related? She couldn't reply to me. She just bullied me basically, and I said, if it's bad, just delete it. Then I don't know what else you want me to tell you. So the number one thing that you have to look for, or to try to find out, if the negative feedback is based on your performance or productivity. Hello, Salim, how are you? Thank you for watching me on Instagram. So the first rule, number 1, is if the negative feedback is based on your performance or your productivity. Yes. Why is that important? I will tell you later, but either way, even if it's not related to your business, even if you never provide any services to this person, the first number one thing you should do, if that was some services or product that you offered that was not good enough, apologize. Number one thing is apologize and offer a remedy, offer to make it back. If it was something that depend on you, it doesn't matter if you can make it up or not, just apologize. Number 2, if it was a feedback from a hater, from someone you have never met, for example, it doesn't matter. You still apologize and comment in polite and professional way. Even if it was fake, even if somebody angry at you, a competition wrote your comment. Let's talk about the negative, hateful feedbacks, or if that was some kind of a fake negative feedback. I had experience myself. One company that was not very polite, that didn't pay me on time, and I will tell you, I'm talking about Day Translations. After bullying me for a few months, I sent them information, releasing them from their payment and wishing them good luck. I said, I don't want to receive no calls, no emails. Please, guys, stop harassing me. I don't want to know about you, right? They went on one of my pages on Google. the girlfriend of the owner of Day Translation, and himself as well went and wrote a negative feedback. Why? Because I refused to work with them. My service as an interpreter was excellent. How I know? Because the client contacted me and wanted to work directly with me, which made me know that I did a great job, right? They didn't contact him, they contact me. So knowing that I didn't feel, I know that when we receive, even if it's negative feedback, we still feel emotional. We get hurt, we get angry and all that. Okay, guys. If you receive a fake negative feedback, this means that you're doing something important. So do not respond, walk away, wait 24 hours, wait 3 days. The most important is do not respond right away. Do not respond. And if you decide to respond to fake negative feedback, you can respond politely and still say that I don't know this person, right? Correct. Number 3, remember, you cannot be liked by everyone. There will always be someone that will find something in you that is not quite well. Yes. My personal goal and what I find out the successful people do, if 9% out of 10 like your business, this means you do, this should be your maximum. I don't want to even say 8 of 10, but 9 of 10. 9 of 10 should be your optimal goal, because there will be always someone that try to get a free service, that try to receive. There is a lot of people that are trying to get something for free. They're trying to complain to get some kind of a discount or offer or something. 9 of 10, let's say in 3 years I never receive a complaint, but after 3 years I receive 1 complaint for my native language, Bulgarian. I receive a complaint because I advocacy for the lab, because they were trying to fraud him to sign a document that he was not understanding, right? So I wanted to make sure he understand what he's signing. And this is why I received the complaint. But for me, this complaint, it didn't mean nothing, because I was proud of what I did. I was proud with myself, right? So remember, 9 of 10 is good enough. Number 4, now I'm going to give you a few tips how to respond on a real negative feedback, because we are going to receive a real negative feedback that someone, something, somehow was not good enough for them. They didn't like it, they didn't quite find it useful, right? First of all, don't respond immediately. Evaluate everything when you're out of emotion, when you're cold. So bigger companies have someone to respond for that. If you're a smaller company, if you're a small startup, do not respond right away. Try to cool down and try to be objective. The number 1 question that you should ask yourself before, I repeat, before you even write any response: what could have I done better? Rationally. If that was services that you provide to your most loved one, which part you could have done better? Be authentic with yourself, and what could have you done to change the outcome? Practical. This is gonna be a good radar for you what to respond. Number 2, either way, if you could change the outcome or it doesn't depend on you, either way, take responsibility, which means apologize. Sometimes you receive a lower feedback because of transportation, because of different reasons of why. It could not be because of you, but some other circumstances. Take responsibility, apologize. And also be grateful for this person that take the time to write your feedback, to talk about your business. Be empathically and friendly. Thank you for your comment. we're apologizing you have that experience, okay? Be friendly and thank the person for their feedback. If you can offer something to remit, do it. If you cannot, don't do it. But still reply in friendly, polite way. And number 5, and very important thing of the negative feedback, just remember guys, this is an instrument for you. What could you have done better to improve your services, to improve your products, to improve your communication? Use this feedback as an instrument to grow. Yes, negative feedback could be an instrument for you to grow, to develop, to build, to create more, to become better in what you do. That was everything. Thank you for watching me. Share, liking, subscribe. I wish you a wonderful day from Denver, Colorado. I hope you guys stay safe. And if you're starting or continuing or taking care of your business or others people's businesses, I hope that was useful for you. Thank you and bye-bye.